Suzuki ignis in today with a whirring noise when running. So we've just diagnosed it as a water pump, as you can hear. So let's get that replaced. Now we're removed the water pump, and as you can see, I've cleaned the face up, which is part of the block, and obviously the new thing, which is all clean, the old gaskets off. Really important that, guys, to stop it leaking. As you can see, here's the old water pump. So if you can hear it be spit, the bearings have gone inside, and that's what's causing the whirring noise. And obviously here is a new water pump with a new bearing kit and everything in it, nice and free and ready to go back on the car. So there you have it, going back on the car now, topped up the coolant, you can hear it running and it sounds a lot better. Nice easy fix, a nice cheap fix, saves you blowing head gaskets and things like that. Thanks all, and please subscribe.